Okay, welcome back to UCAN. Right, what we're going to do today is I'm just going to show you how to connect a plug top. Now, basically what you're going to need is you're going to need a knife, a utility knife, carpet knife, there's various names for it, flat screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, side cutters or pliers, and obviously your plug top and your cable. Now, this is kind of how you want to cut your cable on the end. I'll show you how to do that on the other side. Make it a little bit longer than you need to. Just score the cable slightly. Okay, you don't want to cut into the cable because you don't want to damage the cores on the inside. Once you've done that, you can just take a utility knife, just give it a light cut like this. Be careful not to cut yourself. Okay, and you just fold it over to the other side again. Normally when you score it, depending on how thick the outer casing is, it normally opens up by itself like you can see it doing there. Okay, so if you've just scored it, it normally manages to sort itself out. Right, now what you want to do is open up your plug top. Take your cable like that. You want this part of the cable to just penetrate like that. Okay, now work out the length of your earth, cut that, giving just a little bit of slack, keeping in mind some plug tops have a center screw, others have a side screw, others have a clip-on system. Don't like the clip-on system because they tend to come apart when you use them. Okay, now keeping in mind you've got, it's normally marked, I don't know if this one is marked. Yeah, there you go. Okay, this one, the only marking it's got is the earth. I don't know why they haven't marked the others, but the way I remember it is, put it in, your live, your strongest hand generally is your right hand, and the blue on the left. That's how I've always remembered it over the years. Remember that, I'll make sure it's long enough. Right, then to skin it, you've got two options. You can either use your utility knife or the side cutter. What I do is I just go there, just put your fingers in it like that, just with it, twist it around your finger like that, and just a slight pull on it. Don't squeeze too hard, otherwise you're going to cut through. Okay, like that, and just fold it over. Yeah. Pushing with your thumb, fold it over. When you do it often enough, it's actually quite easy. Just give it a wiser sort of twist. Now some wires will have various colors. In general, your green or your yellow is your earth. Okay, then your red, which is normally your live, or your brown, which is your live. Keep in mind, you'll have to this varies from country to country. For example, China, they seem to have a black as a live. So just make sure where you are and what color wires you are using. Keep in mind we're from South Africa, so this is based on South African standards. Okay, now if it battles like I am battling now, some plugs you can't always do it, but no, this one doesn't. Some of them you can knock it out, push the wire in, and then push it back in and tighten it. So just remember, electrical needs to be tight. So don't just make it a light tight connection, you must make it fairly tight. Not that much that you're going to strip, but at least have it tight. Okay. That one in there. Okay, after you've done it, just pull on your connections, make sure that they're in tight. Force that in there, and you know that that can't pull out. Screws back. And there's your plug done. Hope that helped you. Carry on watching for more tips and easy home DIY jobs that you can do.